Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey natties. So this week I wanted to do something a bit different. I wanted to show you guys how I jazz up my wash and goes from time to time. Hence the name, Jazzy J. Okay. So all I did was I did a regular wash and go, and then I did braids in the top, in the front of my head, and I added some hair jewelry and some beads just to give it this Afrocentric look. Okay. I love the As I Am curl jelly. I don't really think it needs to be coupled with another gel, but so this week I didn't, but in the future I will, just to see if it gives a better curl definition, you know. Y'all see that now? It looks so good. So I'm not gonna hold you guys much longer. Let's get right to it. So here I have already applied my Indian Healing Clay as my cleanser. I've washed it out, and I've also applied my leave-in conditioner. So now I'm going in and I'm parting off my sections so that I can begin braiding my hair. For some reason I got hot, y'all. Gotta drink that water. Okay, so here's now I'm getting ready to go in and start my wash and go. So the products I will be using today is the As I Am curl jelly, and if my hair gets dry, then I'll go in and I'll spritz it with the As I Am Jamaican black castor oil water. This stuff is awesome. Now I'm just going to go in and start doing my wash and go as I would normally do. I'm just going to take the As I Am curl jelly, rub it in my hand, and rub it through my hair. And I will complete this step throughout the remainder of my hair. There you have it. Now it's time to sit under the dryer. Now I'm going in with my beater. I have some square block beads. I have some round beads with rhinestones on them, and I also have some colorful beads. So now I'm going to place them on the beater and take my braid and slide the braid through the hole of the beater. Then I'll slide the beads up the braid, take the bottom part of my hair and wrap it around the bead and secure it with a rubber band. And I'll repeat these steps for the remainder of my braids. Okay guys, so what you think? This is the finished product of what my full wash and go would look like if I was using the As I Am curl jelly. But I treated the back as a wash and go and just braided the front. So this is what it come out looking like, and I love it. My curls are fluffy. I don't have any flaking, and I just used the curl jelly by itself. I didn't pair it with any other gel, and I like it. Y'all see them curls? Ooh, them things populating, ain't it? Okay. But anywho, I just want to say thank you for watching my channel. Thanks for everybody that have subscribed to my channel, and thank you for all of the encouraging, kind words that I've been getting from everyone. And I pray that this video is good for you guys. Like, I pray you learn how to do something new, okay? So, purpose of a tutorial. And I just want to encourage you to keep going, keep pushing, and keep trusting the process. Thanks so much, guys, for watching my video again, and I will see you next week. Bye.